Hello, everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be exploring the National Pension Scheme, often known as NPS. The NPS is a government-backed initiative designed to help you build a robust retirement corpus through systematic savings. The National Pension System (NPS) is a voluntary, long-term retirement savings scheme designed to enable systematic savings for pension by Indian citizens. Here are the key details about the National Pension Scheme, including how to start investing and its benefits. Key features of National Pension Scheme (NPS). Who can invest? NPS is open to all citizens of India, including both resident and non-resident individuals. It is also available to employees from the private sector, the unorganized sector, and the self-employed. Types of NPS accounts. There are two types of accounts under NPS. Tier I account. This is a mandatory, long-term retirement account with restrictions on withdrawals. Tier 2 account. This is a voluntary, short-term investment account with no withdrawal restrictions. NPS offers two investment choices, active choice and auto choice. Active choice, subscribers can decide the asset allocation among equity, corporate bonds, and government securities. Auto choice, the investments are managed automatically based on the subscriber's age. Investment options in NPS. Equity funds E. This option invests primarily in equity-related instruments. It carries a higher risk but also has the potential for higher returns. Corporate debt funds C. These funds invest in fixed income securities issued by companies. They offer relatively lower risk compared to equity funds. Government securities funds G. This option invests in government bonds and securities. Considered lower risk compared to equity funds. Alternative investment funds A. This is a relatively new option that allows investment in alternative assets like real estate investment trusts REITs and infrastructure investment trusts INVITs. Contributions. Subscribers make regular contributions to their NPS accounts during their working life. The minimum annual contribution for Tier I accounts is 1,000 rupees. Tax benefits. Contributions to NPS are eligible for tax deductions under Section 80C up to 1.5 rupees lakh and an additional deduction of up to 50,000 rupees under Section 80C CD1B. Partial withdrawals up to specified limits and annuity income are also tax exempt. Withdrawals. At the time of retirement after the age of 60, a subscriber can withdraw a lump sum amount up to 60% and use the remaining amount to purchase an annuity. Premature withdrawals are allowed under certain conditions, such as specific illnesses and critical financial situations. How to start investing in NPS. Choose a point of presence POP. Individuals can open an NPS account through authorized POPs, which include banks, financial institutions, and other intermediaries. Complete the registration form. Fill out the NPS registration form available with POPs. Provide necessary KYC documents: Aadhaar card, PAN card, address proof, etc. Contribution. Decide the contribution amount and frequency: monthly, quarterly, or annually. Make the initial contribution to activate the NPS account. Asset allocation: choose the investment option active or auto choice and specify the asset allocation. Permanent retirement account number (PRAN). Once the account is opened, a unique PRAN is allotted to the subscriber, which is used for all future transactions. Regular monitoring. Subscribers can regularly monitor and manage their NPS accounts through the Central Record-Keeping Agency (CRA) and the NPS Trust. Benefits of NPS. Market-linked returns. NPS offers the opportunity to earn market-linked returns through a mix of equity, corporate bonds, and government securities. Tax efficiency. NPS provides tax benefits at the time of investment, accumulation, and withdrawal, making it a tax-efficient retirement savings option. Flexible contributions. Subscribers can choose their contribution amount and frequency based on their financial goals. Portable. NPS accounts are portable across jobs and locations, providing flexibility and continuity in savings. Regular income and retirement. The scheme provides a regular income stream through the purchase of an annuity at the time of retirement. Remember that the NPS landscape may evolve, so it's advisable to check for any updates or changes in the scheme guidelines. Now, let's quickly run through some key features of the NPS. Accessibility: it's open to everyone, from employees in the private and unorganized sectors to the self-employed. Investment options: you have the choice between active and auto investment options. Tax benefits: contributions are eligible for tax deductions, making it a tax-efficient investment. So, how can you start investing in the National Pension Scheme? It's a straightforward process, and we'll guide you through it. Step 1. Choose a point of presence POP. This can be a bank or a financial institution. Step 2. Complete the registration form and provide the necessary KYC documents. Step 3. Decide on your contribution amount and frequency. Step 4. Choose your asset allocation based on your risk tolerance. And just like that, your NPS account is activated, and you'll be allotted a unique permanent retirement account number or PRAN. Important considerations: market conditions: returns are influenced by market conditions, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Investment horizon: the investment horizon plays a crucial role. NPS is a long-term retirement-focused investment, and returns should be evaluated over the long term. Asset allocation: the choice of investment options and asset allocation depends on the individual's risk tolerance, age, and financial goals. Regular monitoring: it's important to regularly monitor the performance of the chosen funds and make adjustments if needed. Before making any investment decisions, it's recommended to check the most recent performance data, as the financial landscape and market conditions can change. Additionally, consulting with a financial advisor is advisable to align your investment strategy with your specific financial situation and goals. In conclusion, the National Pension Scheme is not just an investment, it's a step towards securing a comfortable and stress-free retirement. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on NPS, feel free to comment below. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more financial insights. Until next time, happy investing.